Welcome to Biker's Lab, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts. Triumph Speed 400. The key specifications of the Triumph Speed 400. Engine capacity, 398.15 cc transmission, 6-speed manual curb weight, 176 kg fuel tank capacity, 13 liters max power, 39.5 bhp colors, Carnival Red/Phantom Black, Caspian Blue/Storm Gray. The specifications of the Triumph Speed 400. Engine type, single cylinder, liquid-cooled displacement, 398.15 cc max power, 39.5 bhp at 8,000 revolutions per minute max torque, 37.5 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute fuel supply system, fuel injection. Transmission. Gearbox, 6-speed manual clutch, wet, multi-plate, assistant slipper clutch frame and suspension. Frame type, hybrid spine/perimeter tubular steel frame front suspension, 43 mm upside down big piston forks, 140 mm wheel travel rear suspension, gas monoshock RSU with external reservoir and preload adjustment, 130 mm wheel travel. Brakes and tires. Front brake, 300 mm single disc with 4-piston radial caliper rear brake, 230 mm single disc with 2-piston fixed caliper ABS, dual-channel ABS front tire size, 190/19 rear tire size, 150/70/17 dimensions. Curb weight, 176 kg fuel tank capacity, 13 liters seat height, 790 mm ground clearance, not specified in the provided information. Overall length, not specified in the provided information. Electricals. Headlight, LED tail light, LED turn signal lights, LED instrument cluster. Semi-digital instrument cluster, analog speedometer, LCD screen displaying tachometer, fuel range, and gear indicator. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe. Enjoy your day.